Well, hello and welcome to another
Wind Up Wednesday.
Oh, it's good to be back. Good to
So
be back.
good.
Doing some filming because we've been filming chunks, and so it's been a while since we've done this. But I'm excited. I am ready to see Saffron vomit, to see Saffron run out of here,
Nice.
to see Saffron constantly in a position of forfeit losing. Just amazing.
Right. Well, I don't think that's going to happen today. I feel very confident. I've been careful with what I've selected this time so that I don't puke
Tactics.
continuously for the rest of the day.
Tactics.
So, yeah.
What is the forfeit today? Let's do
The forfeit is the person who loses gets ice down their back. So,
Ice down the back. That's all right. That's okay. I think,
that's not fun.
No, what I mean by that is it's not fun. No, it's not going to be pleasant at all. But what I mean is that you won't be running out of here because with that, I imagine that's going to be one you can manage to finish the video with.
Yeah, hopefully. I'll be like, huh? No,
Yeah!
He's going to do it. He's going to do it. I know he is.
What? You've already sucked yourself out, Steph.
No.
What are we playing?
We're playing a game called Sticky Situation.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's
Sticky
go.
Situation. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no! I'm down the back. Yeah!
Come on.
Last one. Last one. Yeah! Woohoo! Dun 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 dun. No, what's the song I'm thinking of?
Ice Ice Baby.
Yeah, eyesight. Yeah, no, I was doing it under pressure. I'm doing Queen under pressure. Ice, baby. Yeah. I had a few comments about my singing from the last one, you know.
I don't know whether they were genuine.
So I just thought I'd give people what they want.
Okay, continue with the right song.
Ice. I don't know the words. Yet again, Chrissy B for the win.
Okay, it doesn't have to be as bad as vinegar or mustard, so...
I've locked the door so she can't run out.
Yeah.
Come on, there's 3 more there. There's 3. Is this worse? Is this?
I don't know, it's not as good as the vinegar. Okay.
What's happening? Are you going to say goodbye to everyone? See you later, bye.